Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on M&M Finance. Our analyst maintains buy rating on M&M Finance with a price target of Rs 345. Company continued to report a healthy business momentum as it is benefiting from strong sectorial tailwinds and its parent M&M strong recovery in auto volumes. We expect this momentum to be sustained in FY24. Additionally, the company is diversifying its growth engine and increasing its non-vehicle financing share in SME, LAP and digital segments. Asset quality metrics are stable on account of strong collection efficiency. The stock has outperformed the broader indices in last 1 year and it currently trades at 2 times FY24 and 1.6 times FY25 estimated adjusted book value. Next we cover Devyani International. Our analyst reiterates buy rating on Devyani International with a revised price target of Rs 252. Stock trades at 30 times FY24 and 22 times FY25 estimated EV by EBITDA. Recent slowdown in domestic QSR market is a temporary blip with consumers shifting for lower value substitute. Transaction growth remains good while lower ticket purchases affected ADS. Low penetration as compared to other countries, rapid urbanization, rising acceptance among millennials and improving infrastructure provides good long-term opportunity for domestic QSR players. Softening of consumer inflation, easing dairy prices, good traction in multiplexes and a long festive season will aid good recovery in the QSR space in second half of FY24. Gross margins would consistently improve as prices of cheese, chicken and oil fall in coming quarters. Devyani eyes EBITDA margins of 23 to 24% in the medium term. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.